It was a dark, cold night of late February. I was riding alone on a narrow road in the middle of nowhere. With my fingers freezing by the cold air, I asked myself how the hell I put myself in this situation, and remembered it was me who did it, and this was how it was supposed to be. I had been wondering about my qualification as a traveler. Could I sleep rough in the strange place in this cold? Do I have the ability to find a safe spot avoiding trouble with animals, police, and the people of the local? So I decided to try and see. Jogashima is an island located at the end of the Miura Peninsula, about 90 kilometers south from central Tokyo. So it shouldn't take too long to get there. Well, at least I thought. The place is well known for the beautiful coastline, and this is my first time visit. I wanted to mount a mobile holder so I can see the map on the mobile as I ride, but I found the instruction says it needs at least 12 hours to dry the sticky pad to secure the mobile. I decided to go without it. And this was the beginning problem. And I got trouble. Through this travel, I have learned a few lessons and I'd like to share with you. 1. Take a flashlight that you don't have to use your hand to hold. I usually take my head torch to camp. It's a little bulky, so I took the smallest flashlight I have for this tour instead. I was holding it in my mouth when I need to walk with both hands to make shelter. It was frustrating because I had to interrupt the walk so many times to wipe the water from my mouth. Right after I returned from the trip, I got myself a flashlight can tilt the head at 90 degrees. This is still compact, and I can clip it on the neck or pocket of my shirt, and I get my both hands free. 2. A cot is not very effective for thermal insulation, Perhaps this characteristic does not apply to every cot, but it did to mine at least. During the night, I realized that the cot was much colder than the air. If I have to pick one between the cot and the thermal mat for winter camp, I would definitely take a mat. 3. Don't play fast and loose when you make shelter. The first shelter I made that night was sloppy. I made it too low, and the top was too close to my face. As the night gets colder, the moisture of my breath condensed on the turf and dripped on my sleeping face. I had to get up and reshape the shelter. Oh yeah, one more thing I should remember. I better mount the mobile holder to my bag early. That's the thing that started to hold my problem. I am heading to Jogashima now. There will be pictures of the beautiful island on my next video, and I hope you will be looking forward to it. Thanks for watching.